Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about ENDORFY new ARX 500 core PC cases. So friends, the new version of the popular and highly praised ARX 500 series PC case, known for excellent airflow and spacious design, and the affordable PC case is aimed at users who do not require 4 and 5 fans, and this required version ENDORFY Arx 500 core is aimed at users who do not require 5 and 4 fans, and this version combines ample space for components, efficient cooling, and well-regarded design of the ARX 500 series to meet the demand for both gamers and professional users as well as computer enthusiasts. And the case compatible with full-size ATX motherboard, support advanced cooling configuration, and future modern functionalities such as high-speed USB Type-C port, and the case equipped with two Stratus 140 PWM fan developed in collaboration with Synergy Cooling and positioning at the front and rear, and they ensure optional airflow and quiet operation, and the PWM control allow for precise speed adjustment and adaptive the fan performance to the current needs of the system. And the PC case recommended graphics card up to 350 mm, power supply up to 300 mm, and it easily fit up to 9 fans, air coolers up to 179 mm in height, and radiator up to 360 mm with support for ATX, microATX, Mini-ITX motherboard form factor, as well as 7 expansion slots, and user have extensive customization option for their setup. And the connectivity port including two USB-A 3.2 Generation 1 port up to 5 Gbps, fast USB 3.2 Generation 2 port up to 10 Gbps, and two 3.5 mini audio jack connectors. So friends, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.